Top 5 Pressure Washer in 2017. Number 5. Haier Blue Clean AR390SS. Easy and quick for decks, patios, setting, driveways, outdoor furniture, cars, trucks, RVs, ATVs and more. Detergent tank and 4 different quick connect pressure washer nozzles. Conserves water by using 80% less water. With 45% more power than a standard garden hose. Quieter than gas engine models. Pull the trigger to start cleaning. Please check the description below for details and prices. Number 4. Generac 6602 1 wash. Generac 212 cubic centimeters OHV engine rated largest powerful engine in its class. Easily adjust the intensity of the spray to clean a wide range of surfaces with a single. Provides greater comfort for ease of use. Easy to pull inverted trigger reduces fatigue. 30 high pressure hose, extended range for improved use. Includes 3 quick change nozzle tips, 0 degree, 25 degree, and so. Please check the description below for details and prices. Number 3. Simpson MegaShot 3125S. This easy-to-use power washer will eliminate dirt, grime. Forget all those messy and easily destroyed water hoses. The M22 connectors will ensure a secure and safe fit. Engine 2-year limited consumer warranty. Pump 1-year limited warranty. Frame 5-year limited warranty. Please check the description below for details and prices. Number 2. Haier Blue Clean AR383. Conserves water by using 80% less water with 40% more power. Pull it out of the box, insert the hose reel and attach the handle. Connect the high-pressure hose and garden hose. Plug the GFCI to a 3-prong outlet with the ground. Pull the trigger to start cleaning. Contact us at any time in Fridley, Minnesota. Using the information found in the owner's manual. Please check the description below for details and prices. Number 1. Sungjo SPX 4000. Powerful 14.5 amp motor generates up to 2030 size/1.76 GPM for maximum cleaning power. Easy glide wheels for maximum maneuverability. Choose from 2 powerful cleaning options. Low/1450 size for everyday dirt, grease and grime. Medium and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Includes an extension wand and a 20-foot high-pressure hose. Please check the description below for details and prices.